This time around, I'm gonna finally do a quick breakdown on my custom-made side exit exhaust. HiroshimaSpirit! This one's practically a must, not only because a lot of people ask about my exhaust and want some details, but the video I posted Thursday night is doing horrendous numbers, so I gotta do something. After you're done with this one, make sure to go check that one out as well. Let's get under here. Okay, it's really tight under here, so bear with me. I of course have the stock exhaust manifold, big old catalytic converter in there. There's the giant MagnaFlow muffler that I always mention. The tubing is 2 inches all the way back, and yes, it's kind of ugly. I gotta refinish this thing. And there it is, out the side of the car. So let's break down a couple of things here. There's of course the stock location hanger right there. This exhaust had to come in 2 pieces, so I've got it awkwardly clamped here. Eventually I'm going to go and get it welded, because that's got to be lighter than 2 clamps I had lying around holding it together, but it works. And then over here we've got a custom hanger that bolts just to an existing hole on the bottom of the car with a little fabricated bracket that anyone could make. I'm sorry I don't have a part number on this muffler. I have no idea what it is. I bought this exhaust secondhand. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's simple, effective, and it sounds good. Sorry for sounding kind of awkward just then. It's tight under there, and I was craning my neck to try and make sure I was getting the shot, so I sound a little bit like this. But whatever. Here's a quick sound clip of the car. It's just phone in the hand, second gear pull on the street. Not too bad, right? And this is something that any muffler shop or a friend who can weld can duplicate for you. It's just 2-inch tubing, a fat muffler, and if you don't like the style or the complication of it being side exit, you can absolutely make it exit in the stock location, and I don't think it'll change the sound that much. It might change the tone a little bit, or it won't be as loud, because there will be a couple extra bends in there, but definitely something anybody can do, and it sounds really good. I'm really dig this exhaust. Now, I'm glad I'm the only one who has it, but I encourage people to duplicate it because it's a really good sound, and it makes this little hatchback sound like a bit of a bruiser because it gives it some growl, and it surprises a lot of people when it sounds better than most Honda Civics. If you want to hear any longer, better sounding clips with some up and down shifting included, any of my track day videos has got you covered. Alright, that's it for this short one. A lot of people asked, and I'm finally delivering. That's my exhaust. I hope this helps, and I hope that I hear a lot more 2s going forward that sound like mine, because it just sounds so good, in my opinion anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.